All right, good morning. We are at 13223 West Titan Drive. A view of the street here. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 or 1,700 square feet. Let's go in and check it out. 2-car garage. Roof looks like it's in good shape. Has an antenna on top. Here is the main room. Vertical blinds, they're cloth. Curtains have been removed. A couple ceiling fans. And let's go off to the left and see the bedrooms first. Here is the hall closet. It has the pergo flooring throughout, same flooring. Here is the second bathroom. Basic bathroom, some wallpaper. The border looks like it is coming down. Overall. And then here is the second bedroom. These are 2-inch wood blinds, walk-in closet. About 10 by 12 would be my guess. Then here is just another storage closet, linens. You can get the feel for it. Primary suite, here is the bathroom. Walk-in shower with a seat, also wallpapered. Wallpaper does look like it's a little bit loose in spots. Right across from that is the walk-in closet. And then the primary suite bedroom, ceiling fan. All right. And then we go back, there's the great room again, and then here is the kitchen. Pantry. It's nice and deep. I might consider making the shelves a little deeper, give you a little more space. The cabinets are a wood shaker door. It's a panel. Kind of interesting. Microwave, appliances. Refrigerator does have a water line to it. The sink, dishwasher, ceiling fan is available, has been removed, some glass cabinets. And then the eat-in kitchen is here. And this takes you off to, I believe, the garage. Probably a golf cart room as well. Here is your laundry room. Washer, no dryer. Get into the garage. And there is the refrigerator. The garage is nice and deep, and it looks like it has a Arcadia door in the back. Moving right along, there's the garage door opener. Eat-in kitchen, and this will take you to the extra enclosed patio, and it looks like it is 5 glass doors, so very much can be opened up. Actually, 6 glass doors, not vented. It just has air from the outside. Electrical plugs, another electrical plug over here. Very interesting. I am going to now go outside and show you the backyard. Maybe, if I can get out one of these. Okay, and here is your backyard. And it looks like they ran the fence part way around, but not sure. They ran the fence part way around and stopped. Here you can see your backyard. You can see the tile lines. It goes around to here. Big backyard. Again, you can see all the glass doors. That one is to the laundry room, and you can see it comes all the way around to the side. All right, that concludes the tour.